Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and to those who are aspiring Photoshop learner, you are very much welcome to my channel because here I'm teaching all basics and I do the best I can on how to explain on a very easy way. So welcome to my channel, and this time I'm going to teach on how to convert your JPEG picture into a PNG picture. So let's go right here. Here I drop some Mickey Mouse picture, and always make sure before you start that your layer here is unlocked. So let's proceed. This is Mickey and it has a white background. Because it's all white, we can go right here and grab this magic wand tool. This magic wand tool is really works like magic. So just click on the white background, and now all the white is selected except right here. So we need to click right here again because this one is also part of the background and we don't want that in our main picture. So all is selected. Just go to your keyboard and press the delete. Now all the background is gone. To remove this marking, just in your Windows, Control D, in your Mac, Command D. So now, because it's PNG, you can just grab here and there, or you can change the color of the background. To put the background color, just here, add layer. Now we have layer 2. We need to bring down the layer 2 because we want it as a background. So now I can use my bucket. I have pink right here. I can put right away the bucket, the color pink right there. So the good thing in PNG is you can change any color of the background. For example, we want the yellow one, and we will just grab again the bucket and put yellow at the background. Another thing, the good thing of having a PNG picture is you can just grab and transfer it to another picture. Just like this, we have a beautiful garden, so we can put Mickey right there. And you can just put Mickey here and there without annoying square white background. That's it. Just like that. So quick and easy. So let's go back to Mickey Mouse right here. To save your picture as PNG, we need to go to File and Save As. Here we can choose to save as PNG or whatever, but in a new Photoshop 2021, it's not saying here, there is no option of PNG. So we will go back. We will go back. Right here, export as quick PNG. But we cannot save this as PNG if our layer 2 is open. Even if you put it as PNG, with this, it will still be a picture with a yellow background. For example, let's try one. Quick export as PNG. Okay, I will just put here in my download. I will name it Mickey. I will name it Mickey and save. Then let's go ahead and check it out. In my downloads, Mickey is right there, and it has a yellow background. The background is still there and it's not PNG, even we save it or we export as PNG. So the secret is here. We need to remove the layer number 2, which is there is an eye here like that, it means you want it or you don't want it. So make sure that this one is not visible to the main picture, because if you put this one, it means it's visible, indicates layer visibility. So it will be there even if you save as PNG. So we need to remove that and go back again and export, quick export as PNG. And I will name it again Mickey 2. And here there is an option, of course, it's exported as PNG, then it will be PNG and then save. Now let's check it out in my downloads, Mickey, and here we go. Now it has a black background because my screen, I put it into a black mode. So to make sure that it's really PNG, we need to close this. I don't want to save. Okay. Here my Mickey, I want to delete that. So I will grab that again and put right here. So that one is Mickey number 2 and open. Now here it is. It's PNG and I can put it right here without any background. Like that. So that's it, guys. It's very quick and easy as always. Guys, here it is. Enjoy learning and see you again. Thank you for subscribing in my channel. Please like and comment down below for any topic you want to learn. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and please continue to support my channel. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Thank you and see you around. Bye!